There's a reason people come back to Negril. The sunsets here don't just look good, they stop you cold. I recently stayed at a hotel that puts you right in the middle of it all, and after watching the sky do its thing from that vantage point, I can't imagine staying anywhere else on this side of the island. I'm talking about Westender Inn, this boutique seaside gem sitting right in Negril, where the sunsets don't just happen, they perform. Westender Inn isn't one of those massive all-inclusive resorts. It's more intimate. You feel like more than just a room number. It's modern, it's updated, and every room's got this beach vibe that makes you feel like you actually woke up in paradise. The best part? Those poolside sea views. I spent more time out there than I did inside. They've got multiple pools, a restaurant and bar serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The staff is wonderful. Parking's easy, so you're not stressing about finding a spot. They even offer free shuttle service to nearby beaches, plus tours and excursions if you want to venture out and explore more of the island. Now, here's the downside. The water right at the hotel is pretty rough, so swimming there isn't ideal. But that's exactly why they hook you up with those beach shuttles. But the real magic happens when the sun starts dropping. If you're thinking about bringing that special someone, Westender Inn gets it. They offer candlelight dinners and actual wedding services. Imagine renewing your vows or just celebrating your love while watching that legendary Negril sunset. That's not just a hotel stay. That's a memory that'll stay with you for years. So whether you want relaxation, romance, or just to witness breathtaking sunsets, Westender Inn is your spot. Head to the link in the description to book your stay. And hey, if this video got you hyped about chasing sunsets in Jamaica, gently tap that like button for me. Subscribe for more hidden gems and drop a comment below telling me your favorite sunset spot on the island. Let's keep uncovering Jamaica together, one sunset at a time.